Want to stop relying on clients to make that money? Time to start expanding your income streams. I'm Stephanie Owens, co-owner of Gold Sheep Design and copywriter here at the Futur, and client work is only one of the income streams in my studio. Because sometimes work's slow, and sometimes clients, they're dementors who live to suck the soul from your body. So let's look at some other options. There's art licensing. Just go to a store and see art that's on product and somebody made that and was paid. And it's pretty cool to see your work on cool merch like this Joker shirt we licensed to Six Flags theme parks. And the even cooler thing here is you don't need to have a following. You just need to reach out to licensees and show them your work. Which brings us to products. This can be physical goods, digital downloads, and even teaching. Think about it. No clients. I repeat, no clients. You are totally in charge. You just need to be ready to do the heavy lifting when it comes to audience building and marketing. Ready to dig in deeper into the world of income streams? Then check out my Dream Project workshop in the link in the description. You'll create a plan to add your next income stream to your business and find inspiring new ways to create a business you love. See you there.